In this lesson, we will learn the graphs of quadratic functions. So the quadratic functions graph will have a line of symmetry. I mean, it's going to have an equal side and you can draw a line in the middle. That's a symmetrical. So if all the graphs is going to be something similar, that depends on the formula. It can be upside down or other way around. So these are the graphs. If the coefficient a greater than 0, you will get the curve like on the left hand side. If the coefficient a less than 0, then you will get a graph like on the right hand side. So how do you find the intersection points if you draw a graph? So you are going to draw the graph in an xy axis. So the roots of the quadratic equation will tell where it's crossing the x-axis or touching the x-axis or not touching the x-axis. So the graph of y is equal to ax squared plus bx plus c, roots, those are the solutions. So those are the x values that is satisfying this equation. So if you draw the graph and if coming like this one, that means there are two roots. It's cutting the x-axis in 2 points. So if the graph touches the x-axis, then you will be getting one root. If you don't touch us, then there is no roots. There is no solution for this quadratic equation. So finding the roots graphically, you have to draw it, then you can find where it touches the x-axis. So we will find the intersection with one example. So the graph is, we need to draw the graph for y is equal to x squared minus x minus 4. So you can draw this one, isn't it? You know how to draw this one. So you can find some points. Just put minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for x and find the y values. So if you put minus 3, you will get 8. Minus 3 squared is equal to 9. Minus x means you will get plus 3, then minus 4, then you will be getting 8. So if you put minus 2, you will get 2, minus 1, you will get minus 2, 0, you will get minus 4, 1, you will get minus 4, 2, you will get minus 2, 3, you will get 2, 4, you will get 8, 5, you get 16. So if you join them, if you put the dots and if you join them, you will get a graph something like this one. So here the graph, it touches the x-axis at minus 1.6 and 2.6 on the x-axis. Those are the roots for this quadratic equation.